Ever wondered how to find those hidden or private Telegram channels that seem to have all the best content, but don't show up in a regular search? In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can discover invite links for private and exclusive Telegram channels using clever indirect methods. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where and how to look for these channels, even when they seem impossible to find. Alright, let's dive right in. First, it's important to understand the difference between public and private channels on Telegram. Public channels are easy to spot. They have a username and appear right away when you use Telegram's global search. Anyone can find them, join, and start browsing. Private channels, on the other hand, are like exclusive clubs. You won't find them with a regular search, they don't show up in the results. The only way to get in is with a direct invite link, usually given out by an owner or admin. Think of private channels like secret rooms at a party. You need a special invitation to enter. So how do you actually find these invite links for private channels? Let's start with search engines. You can use Google or Bing to hunt down invite links posted online. Try searching for phrases like Telegram channel link for fitness discussions or best Telegram groups for crypto swap in your topic of interest. You'll often find blog posts, articles, or even social media threads where people share fresh invite links. It might take a few tries to find exactly what you want, but don't get discouraged if the first few results aren't useful. Sometimes patience pays off and you'll dig up a link that's just right. Another great strategy is to browse online channel directories and aggregators. There are several dedicated sites like tdirectory.org, Telegram Channels Me, and TLGRM.ru where users submit invite links for channels and groups. These websites let you browse by categories, making it easy to explore anything from business tips to movie discussions. When you use these directories, you widen your search beyond Telegram's official app, and you might be surprised by the variety of niche communities you'll stumble upon. Next up, don't underestimate the power of forums and social media platforms. Reddit, Quora, and even Discord often have discussions or threads where people share the latest invite links. For example, you can visit subreddits such as our Telegram channels, which specialize in listing and reviewing different Telegram groups. If you're looking for something really specific, these online communities are gold mines. Just remember to be respectful and check each channel's legitimacy before you join. There's also a technical trick, using Telegram discovery bots. Some third-party bots like at TG Channels Bot or at SearchX Bot let you search through public databases for channels, including those not easily found through Telegram's native search. Just send a command like search business tips to the bot and it'll reply with relevant channels or groups. This method is quick and convenient, but do keep in mind bots only show what's been indexed, so results can vary depending on what's available. And finally, sometimes the simplest approach is the most effective. Just ask. Reach out to trusted contacts, friends, or respected members of any Telegram communities you're already part of. If you explain what kind of channel you're searching for, chances are someone will have a link or know someone who does. People love sharing valuable communities, and word-of-mouth recommendations are often the best way to get into the most exclusive private channels. So to recap, while official Telegram search won't reveal those private or hidden channels, using external search engines, directories, social media forums, helpful bots, and just good old networking can help you discover a wide range of invite links. Be patient, check each link carefully, and you'll soon unlock access to channels you never knew existed. I hope this guide helps you find just what you're looking for. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit like and drop a comment if you have any questions or want to share your own tips. Subscribe to Fly Business Online for more smart, actionable tutorials to help you get the most out of your digital life. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.